Have you ever found yourself frantically digging through stacks of old mail just trying to find a utility account number? Well, what if I told you that not having immediate online access to that exact number could literally cost you thousands of dollars? Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to bypass the headaches, save you some serious time, and most importantly, protect your wallet from hidden disasters. We're going to walk through the exact steps to locate your SoCalGas account number online and look at exactly why this simple little task is actually a critical financial safeguard.
Okay, look at this number. Almost $8,000. $7,967.09 to be exact. Now, that's not a typo, and it's definitely not some made-up theoretical example. That was the actual, real-life, surprise gas bill a customer received. Why? Basically because he lost access to his online account and ended up flying completely blind for years. What you're seeing here are the details of a formal regulatory complaint. This was filed with the California Public Utilities Commission by a customer named Matthew Walsh. So here's what happened. He signed up for paperless billing, which we all do, right? But he missed the digital warning signs. Meanwhile, out in the yard, hidden fire pit leak was just compounding day after day for 3.5 years. Because he wasn't actively logging into his online portal to check his actual consumption, that silent leak slowly ballooned into an $8,000 disaster.
So, to make sure a massive surprise bill like that never sneaks up on you, here's our roadmap for today. 1. The $8,000 surprise bill. 2. Why the number matters. 3. Steps to find it. 4. Troubleshooting login errors. And 5. Securing your gas account.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, the $8,000 surprise bill. Notice the stark contrast here between what the customer experienced and what the utilities records actually showed. The customer claimed they failed to notify him for 3.5 years. But actually, SoCalGas was routinely sending out monthly bill-ready notice emails as part of their standard paperless billing program. So what was the catch? Well, because of privacy protections, those email notifications don't actually contain your balance. You have to click through. The customer didn't log into the My Account portal to check his actual statements, meaning he totally missed the huge charges stacking up from that undetected leak.
Which brings us to Section 2, why the number matters. Like we just saw, actively logging into your portal is absolutely essential to monitor your usage and catch any of those weird spikes early. And to do that, you need your exact 11-digit account number. You literally need the specific 11-digit identifier, and by the way, that's entered perfectly without any dashes or spaces, to navigate practically the entire digital architecture of the utility. It's the key to everything. Whether you're trying to process same-day guest payments through third-party gateways like BillMatrix, maybe apply for financial relief through the CARE Regulatory Assistance Program, or even link up with municipal building portals like Energy Star, you absolutely have to have it. It's also mandatory if you ever need to execute basic operational stuff like starting, stopping, or transferring your physical gas service when you move.
Okay, moving on to Section 3, steps to find it. Let's dive into the actual step-by-step tutorial on how to retrieve this vital piece of info right through their digital infrastructure so you can completely skip the headache of calling customer service.
Finding it is actually a pretty straightforward 3-step process, starting right at the SoCalGas registration page. You just head over to SoCalGas.com/register, select the link that says, "Help me find my account number," and then enter your identity verification details into their secure lookup tool. Now, I know it sounds incredibly easy, but honestly, that data input portion on step 3, that's exactly where people get stuck and super frustrated.
So pay really close attention here, especially to that street address rule. SoCalGas has some pretty strict anti-fraud controls in place. Obviously, you're going to need your exact email on file, your 5-digit zip code, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Standard stuff. But here's the kicker. To stop automated scraping bots from stealing customer data, their system requires you to input only the numeric portion of your address. You have to leave the street name out completely. So if you live at 123 Main Street, you literally just type 123 and nothing else. If you type out the whole address, the system will just reject it flat out.
But what happens when things go wrong? Let's check out Section 4, troubleshooting login errors. Say you enter all of this information perfectly, you follow the tricky street address rule, and the website just gives you a blank loading screen or some weird error code. Well, the most common culprit here is that SoCalGas uses advanced security tech that actively disrupts certain encrypted connections. What does that mean for you? Basically, if you're running an active virtual private network, a VPN, or if you're browsing in incognito or private mode, their system is probably going to flag you as a risk and block the page. So, turning off your VPN temporarily, avoiding those private browsing windows, and maybe clearing out your browser cache are really the necessary, actionable steps you need to take to bypass their anti-fraud tripwires and finally get that page to load.
All right, Section 5, securing your gas account. Once you finally recover that account number and successfully log in, your very next step, before you do anything else, should be locking down your payment methods and your profile data.
Now, behind the scenes, SoCalGas does automatically protect your linked bank accounts from processing failures or fraudulent payment profiles. When you link a checking or savings account, they use something called bank pre-note validations. It's essentially an automated security check that issues a $0 transaction, just to verify the account is real and active before any of your actual hard-earned money is allowed to go through. But listen, you definitely shouldn't just sit back and rely solely on their automated systems. You need to take some action yourself. You should immediately enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, right there in your online profile. This is basically a digital deadbolt. It ensures that no unauthorized users can intercept your sensitive billing metrics or personal data, even if they somehow manage to get their hands on your password. It just requires a simple one-time code from an authenticator app or a text message just to let you in.
Oh, and just a quick disclaimer as we start to wrap things up here. Keep in mind that these digital portal architectures and interfaces are always evolving, so please make sure to verify these procedural details directly through official SoCalGas resources if you ever encounter any interface discrepancies or changes down the road.
Which brings us to a really crucial question for you. When was the last time you actively logged into your utility portals to check for hidden usage spikes? Knowing the massive financial risks of just blindly ignoring paperless billing notifications, you really have to stay on top of this. Don't let an unseen leak turn into an $8,000 nightmare for you. Go find that account number, get logged in, and take control of your portal today.